Hello everyone, welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know you're the part of the what? Grateful gang, 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 grateful gang, 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 grateful gang, 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 grateful gang, 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 gang. If you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here. It's free 99. It costs you nothing to hit that red subscribe button. So go ahead and do that for me. Thank you so much. All right, let's get right into it. We're doing Transfer Tuesday. Excited on Transfer Tuesday. I'm currently working on paying off my iPad. Y'all know daylight savings time. There's going to be lots of shadows happening because the sun is pretty much gone at this point. Let's go ahead and get to what we owe on this card. So the last month, we paid a lot of money on here and we're going to see what's left. So I'm going to go down to my wallet and Apple Pay, and then we're going to go to our Apple Card, which currently has a balance of $50.66, which is the payment for the installment. And let's go to our monthly installment. One is complete, as you know, if you've been here for a while, and we currently have $444.15 left due on this. This is an interest-free installment payment of $50.66 for the next couple months. It is good for 12 months. Next installment is due November 30th. So we're going to go ahead and pay our minimum of $50.66 and then a little bit. First, let's head over to our Circle Challenge over here. We have $160.99 in the Circle Challenge. 99. Pull this out a little bit. And then we're going to have to pay $50.66 as the minimum. We'll have $110.33 left in this challenge. So I would like to pay a little extra on it. So let's say but I also want to leave at least 1 month of minimum payment on here. So if a month of minimum payment is, call it $51, we can pay an additional $59. So let's just pay 51 plus 59. Today we're going to make a payment of $110. If we have $160.99 in here and we pay $110, we'll have one payment left in here. So let's go ahead and make a $110 payment. Now we're going to make a payment, $50.66. We're going to pay an other amount. And we're going to go ahead and make $110. Oh, it won't let me. Oh, yes, it will. 100, pay more towards your balance, 110. Okay, so I'm going to pay 110. Why won't you let me be great? Will it not let me pay 110? Maybe I have to, y'all, I'm still learning this. Maybe I have to pay the minimum first, which seems crazy to me. So let's pay our $50.66. Okay, that's now highlighted. So we're going to pay the $50.66. Oh, shoot. Actually, y'all, let's make sure we put the money over there. Let's make sure we put the money over there. Y'all know I've been moving too fast. So let's transfer over. We're going to get a rhythm soon. Transfer over to our major key account because that's what's actually set up to pay. From our Circle Challenge to Tara's major key, we're going to do $110. Submit one time for today on Tuesday and iPad payment. And then we're going to submit, and then we're going to slide to confirm. Transfer is complete. Success. So now we have $50.99, which is good, which what we thought we have enough for one extra payment in there, which we love to see it. And then we have our money over in Tara's major keys sitting the 110 we just moved. So we can go out of here and we're going to go ahead and try this again. Make the payment of $50.66, pay $50.66. Out of Capital One. I love this touch thing. It makes my life so much easier. Boom, boom. You pay $50.66. Done. So our card balance is back down to 0, which we love to see it. And now we're going to go back to our monthly installment. So if we wanted to pay, we were paying $110 and we just paid 50, 66. That means we can pay $59.34 next as our extra on top of it payment. Let's see if it'll let us do it now that we've paid our minimum. So let's go to the open one. Oh, we're down at $394. Ayo. Okay, let's see if it'll allow us to make another payment now. Want to pay early. Continue. Maybe that's what I had to do. Pay early rather than just make an extra payment. Maybe that's what I need to do next time. I'll pay attention. We'll see. So I want to pay another amount. I want to pay $59.34 additional. So pay $59.34. Perfect. Boom. We're done with that. Ding. I should have turned that up so we could all heard that. But so now I made that payment. Done. And we're down to $334.15. Super excited. And the last thing we need to do is update our tracker, which is over here in our planner. The finance debt tracker. Okay, so it is 11/5, and I'll just do this really quickly and move through it, but I'm just updating the tracker now. If we made a payment of $110 and we started with $444.15, subtracting $110, we should have, say, a balance of $334.15, which I believe is correct. $334.15. Let's just check really quickly. $334.15 is our current balance. Amazing. So that means our tracker is up to date at $334.15 with a payment of $110 today. I'm so excited, y'all. So we're making our way, you guys. So we started with a balance of $791.24, and we started paying this on 10/16, and it's now, oh, I forgot to update the date. It's now 11/5, and we are already in the threes. Like, who are we? Amen. So we're moving along. So excited. But that's it, you guys. That's all. That's it. That's the update for Transfer Tuesday. And I think as long as I keep them under 10 minutes, we're doing real good. Let me know if you paid any bills today for Transfer Tuesday. How are your payments going? I had tacos today, so it was actually Taco Tuesday. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Remember, order to be great. Yes, be grateful. I'm super duper grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Remember, it's faith over fear this year, but not just this year, but what? Forever, forever, ever, forever, ever, ever, forever, ever, forever, ever, Bye. Jazz hands. Love you, mean it. Bye.